Salesian College Siliguri kelapan long ya kalumpung ya kenduk lang jengki Samla Catholic na ke Jyllaniam ba Jaipaiguri haka Sien ke Banyngkong haka khat pra bat khat khandai tarik yayong haka Jyllaniam jengka seng Salesian Youth Movement SYM halor kamat puson ai ke jing shai jeng pi kan tabaklek Matthews kelanong kabasan dekat kan riu Hakani kalumpung lawan ban shimpenta shispa khandai ngut ki Samla luot ki bapuli hagi kelas 10 hadu kelas 12 naki nyau tli ki parish ki badon hagi kper slasha jeng ki Jyllaniam bak dogra bat Jaipaiguri ki bakan thop ki parish bak dogra matigara jaigon hakap hutan saili udalbari banchuk mari ha ali purdwar bat haniu Jaipaiguri Yakani kalumpung na jer kerteng Simfori X. Haki jingya ko balapan long hakani kalumpung ki Samla na Jaipaiguri parish kila rae kanam ladu bat lawan baar daga Don Bosco parish Udalbari. Ki jingya ko balapan long hakani kalumpung kilong group dance, band, tableau, reel making, quizdom, treasure hunt, face painting, rosary making, but painting drawing. Lapan long ru ya kajing pen ipat ba halor kajing koridor kajing imbreu pro life exhibition. Ki Samla kila shet latieu ya kabam kasa lakum haka lekmen tamasa piknik. Uravan padar Dr. Tommy Agustin ulatan rong ya kajing kit kli bagani ka program kan ya bet ya renti nadu basedang hadu bandawai. Haka khat pratarik ya yong umus Reverend Bishop Fabian Topo ulaknya ya kamas pekhut hadon Bosco Shrine haka ba ulakentu ya kini ki Samla ban shat palang haki weipat ki para Samla ya ka khamat jong ka jinget jingkermen bar ka jingit bakila yo nuksa na ka jingim uji sukres lapan ko buramru ya ki diocesan youth directors Reverend Padar James Bara Jaipaiguri bat Reverend Padar Heman Minch Bag Dogra, but the Salesian Youth Delegate for South Asia, Reverend Padar Patrick Lepcha. Kadba umus Reverend Bishop Paul Simic ulapan mentaya kemas pekhut haka kat khandai tarik kasni penwaya kani kalumpung. Lapan wai dekat Night Olympics balapan long hamadarnya liakai ke Salesian College, balapan yad de Ulianda Eka bat ki dekot jong ke SYM, rengkat ki brodar bat ki sestar ki batrai haka Jyllaniam Jaipaiguri.
Pain when you take it out. So this is what happens when you go from person to person. This is happening in your brain. You become insensitive to the new person. You become insensitive. You start, and then also your bonding weakens.
Number 2.
No, 3. Here, no? 2 points, no?
Yes,
3. Yeah, next.
She got a challenge, clothed naked.
Clothes naked. So what she has to do? In real life, she has to do something.
Charity work, some kind. This.
So what she will do?
Corporal works of mercy.
You will get the points on that.
So I have to do
Yeah, you
this
have to
and
do that.
practice
Yeah.
that in my real life.
Yes.
Remind you to do that.
बीच में अभी भी वो मुकुट है मुकुट हमारे ईश्वर के विजय का प्रतीक है और ईश्वर हमारे लिए क्या है राजा है जब किसी देश में राजा महाराजा मतलब उनको मुकुट मिला जाता है उसी तरह हमारे प्रभु यीशु को भी मुकुट मिला लेकिन क्या का मुकुट मिला कांटे का
Oh, sorry. Rosary.
इस साइड में only this side now, only this side, okay?
RIX 2026